Yes, you are. You're such a booger nut. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to start over anyway. Oh, yes. Come on. Play your game. You booger head. Come on, play your game. Rudy, you want to help her? You want to be mommy's little helper, huh? She is trying to get the hummingbirds on Bubble Safari. Crazy, crazy cat. This is just so adorable. You are just adorable, baby girl. Hey, not my hair!
And she sits on it.
You are such a booger. Yes, you are. You are such a booger.